What's going on, YouTubers? I did this on my other house, so I have a new house. Um, I'm not, the reason why I'm doing this timer is because the light outside my house doesn't have the photo switch, the dusk and dawn. So I'm not about to buy four. So I'm using a timer. Got it from Home Depot. It's an in-wall timer. I read the manual and everything. I'm installing it. This is the old switch. So before you do everything else, make sure you turn off the circuit breaker. All of it. Double check, triple check. Make sure nothing is live wire. So this is how I set it. I've already put it in there, so that way it's easier for me to put the wires and everything while not holding a cell phone. So the load wire, because there's two black wires, that's how it came with it. I guess the switch, I tried to pull it out, it doesn't work, so I just ended up cutting it. So anyways, the load wire, I followed it and it went to one of the, I guess this cable, Romex cable. So that's what my load wire, and then my line, which is all, everything meets up over here. So that's how I did it. I have my ground. Actually, this ground's not even connected to my, whoever did this before didn't connect the ground wire, but I got a ground wire, neutral wire. I have it right here. I had to pull this out, put the neutral wire in there. I don't like that, but everything is hooked up in there, so I'm about to put electrical tape here. Probably, yeah. And also I'll be changing this dimmer switch with, where's that? With this one. The reason I'm doing a dimmer switch is because that's the old one, the faceplate. I want everything matching, you know, square, stainless looking like faceplate. So, but yeah, I'm about to tape this up and hook this one up in a little bit. Okay, everything is tied up. I went and go ahead, pull this ground wire out with my Gerber. Again, whoever installed this, I guess it's not necessary to hook up this ground wire or green to a ground wire. Not sure. I dealt with automotive wiring before, and you know, everything needs to be hooked up the right way. Even the instruction says right there, green wire to ground wire, bare or green. So I'm following this. Since this is a single pole, which is this one only turns on that light, so it'll be single. And yeah, I mean, it's right here, pretty easy, pretty simple. And this is the wire. I already spread them out, and this actually came with the nuts, I guess, electrical nuts. All right, cool. All right, so plug and play. Got this one tied up, this one, wrap this with the tape. I don't need this wire, and this one. So I'll be putting the plugs in and tape it so it doesn't come off if I'm gonna shove it in there, you know, just, I don't know, just be safe. Alright, everything looks good. I'm gonna push them all the way back, and secure them with the bolt that they came with. Okay, a little bit of problem. I gotta take this tab off so that way it sits flush here, and I'm gonna take this off too so it's flush and it's not lifting my faceplate. So it was lifting my faceplate here. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna bend this and wiggle and it'll come off. See? Just like that. Alright, that is it. No gaps. I mean, you see a little bit there, but doesn't bother me. So there you go. About to flip the circuit breaker and set up my program. Thank you. Actually, so I turned on the circuit breaker just to show that it works and there's no smoke, no fire. Yep, everything's good. No electric shock. Lights on. This is the switch. Off. On. Somebody put a different bulb in there that doesn't dim. See? It's not a dimmable bulb, so I gotta change that bulb. And as far as this, that's for the outside. That's the light right there. Oops. Turn on. Here you go. That turn on's the porch and my garage. So just need to program it. Off. Yep. And there you are. Thank you.